Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the name servers in Cloudflare. So first of all, you need to come here on Cloudflare, then simply create your account first and then sign in into your account. Now over here on the dashboard, simply click on the option of domains and then click on the option of overview. Now click on the option of add domain. Then you just have to select the option of connect a domain and type the name of your domain. For example, let's say this is my domain that I've tabbed over here. So after typing the domain name, simply click on the option of continue. Now, as soon as you do this, Cloudflare is going to provide you two assigned name servers for that particular domain only. So you need to simply just copy these name servers one by one because you will need to add them at your company where you have purchased your domain. So now you need to simply open a new tab and then you need to search for the domain registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap or any other provider. Then you need to sign in into that particular account. Now inside those websites you need to look for the settings that called DNS or the name server settings. Then choose the option of custom name servers. After that you need to replace the existing name servers with these two Cloudflare name servers that you have copied. Then you need to make sure that you enter both the addresses correctly and save the changes. Afterwards, simply return to Cloudflare and here scroll down a bit and click on the option of I have updated my name servers. Then wait for some time until Cloudflare basically shows you its status, whether it is pending or whether it is active. So once the update is verified, the status will change to active and Cloudflare is going to begin handling your domain's DNS. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.